In this video, I'm going to walk you through MacPass, a free, open-source password manager designed exclusively for macOS. First off, let's talk about how clean the interface is. Unlike many other password managers that feel bloated or try to push premium plans, MacPass keeps it simple and functional. You install it like any other macOS app, and it doesn't require any online account or registration to get started, which is a huge plus for people who are serious about privacy. Once launched, you're greeted with a classic, minimal user interface that reminds you of native macOS applications. The left panel lets you create groups, and the right side is where you manage entries. One of the best things about MacPass is that it's built on the KeePass database format, so if you're switching from a KeePass-based app, importing your data is seamless. You can create new entries for usernames, passwords, URLs, and notes. It also allows attaching files, which is useful for storing things like backup codes or sensitive documents. The password generator is decent, although it lacks some customization options compared to modern password managers. But for most users, it gets the job done without any fluff. MacPass is completely offline, meaning nothing is stored in the cloud unless you manually sync it with services like Dropbox or iCloud using external tools. If you want total control over your password database, this is the way to go. It supports auto-type functionality, which is especially useful for logging into applications or websites without copying and pasting your credentials. However, configuring auto-type on macOS can be a little tricky at first, and there's a learning curve. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now let's talk about the downsides. MacPass development is slow. Updates don't come frequently, and certain features like browser integration are entirely missing. If you're looking for something with all the bells and whistles, like Bitwarden or 1Password, this might not be for you. Also, the help documentation is pretty limited, so if you run into issues, you'll have to dig through GitHub or rely on community forums. That said, if you prioritize privacy, prefer storing passwords locally, and want something lightweight and open source, MacPass is an excellent choice. It's especially appealing to developers, cybersecurity enthusiasts, and people who want complete transparency over how their data is handled. I've been using it for a few months now, and while I miss some features from other apps, the peace of mind I get from not syncing my sensitive info to the cloud is worth it. MacPass might not be flashy, but it's trustworthy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest software reviews like this. Thanks for watching.